Hey there, welcome back to my channel where we dive into the latest tech goodies. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the brand new Apple 2026 MacBook Neo. So, what makes this MacBook stand out from the crowd? Well, let's start with its stunning looks. It comes in 4 gorgeous colors: silver, blush, citrus, and indigo. Each one is paired with a color-coordinated keyboard, so you can match your Mac to your unique style. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about performance? The A18 Pro chip built for AI and Apple Intelligence is where things get really interesting. This powerhouse of a processor delivers the speed and capabilities you need to tackle everyday tasks with ease. Whether that's editing family photos, crunching numbers in spreadsheets, or playing the latest Apple Arcade game. But what does it actually mean when we say AI capabilities? Simply put, this chip is designed to handle more complex calculations and data analysis on device. That means your MacBook can do some serious heavy lifting without needing an external boost. Perfect for students, creatives, and anyone looking to get the most out of their device. And then there's battery life. A whopping 16 hours of runtime will keep you going from early morning classes to late-night study sessions or beyond. With Apple's innovative power management system, your MacBook can adjust its performance to maximize efficiency, ensuring that every minute counts. Speaking of screens, the Liquid Retina display on this MacBook is simply breathtaking. A resolution of 2408 by 1506 and up to 500 nits of brightness make for vibrant images and crisp text. Whether you're browsing, working, or just enjoying some Netflix in bed, yes, it's great for that too. But what really sets the MacBook Neo apart is its seamless integration with other Apple devices. If you're an iPhone user, you'll love how easily you can mirror your screen from your Mac to your phone, copy text on one device and paste it on the other. It's like having a second brain. One more thing that's worth mentioning is security. With built-in antivirus protection, file encryption with File Vault, and fingerprint scanning with Touch ID on certain models, you can rest assured that your MacBook Neo is safe from threats. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is this really worth the investment? And my answer is a resounding yes. The A18 Pro chip delivers exceptional performance, the Liquid Retina display is stunning, and the battery life is unmatched. Plus, with Apple's commitment to regular software updates, you can trust that your MacBook Neo will stay secure and up-to-date for years to come. So what do you think? Are you ready to take on the world with this amazing MacBook Neo? Well, I've got some good news for you. It's available now. Click the link below to get the best price for yourself, and happy tech ing.